Hello dear traders, you're watching financial news on Insta TV with me, Anna Kasatkina. Investors again focus on political developments. Forex has responded immediately to breaking news. This morning, some leading European countries, in particular the UK, France and Germany, issued an official statement asking the US Treasury Secretary to exempt them from sanctions, as they are interested in keeping financial relations with Iran. Washington has not given any public response so far. Trade frictions between the US and Canada are a family quarrel, Donald Trump's economic advisor Larry Kudlow said on Sunday. Earlier last week, US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin tried to persuade the US president to release Canada from paying US tariffs on steel and aluminium imports. At the same time, Canada's authorities are going to lodge complaints against these unfair trade practices, end of quote, which violate the provisions of the World Trade Organization. The trade dispute between the US and China has not been settled yet. Beijing suggested that China's imports from the US could be increased by $25 billion. Citing well-informed sources, China intends to raise imports of crude oil, coal and agricultural produce. The Asian trade revealed a rapid rally of the US dollar against the yen. Meanwhile, the US dollar index has come under pressure. The dollar-yen pair broke through 110 level. On the other hand, other greenbacks rivals are showing resilience. For example, today the Australian versus the US dollar pair is trading higher, close to 0.7640. The Aussie found extra support from macroeconomic data. According to the government data, Australia's GDP climbed 1% in the first quarter from a modest 0.5% growth in the previous quarter. The fresh reading beat the market consensus for a 0.8% gain. In annual terms, the economic growth expanded 3.1%, stronger than the forecast for a 2.8% climb. Are there any factors to prop up the US dollar? Experts say that market participants are alert to the events in the political arena. Thus, the US dollar is expected to remain under pressure. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.